Hey, it's John with Salt, Pepper, and Fire. I just want to thank you for stopping by the channel. I really appreciate your support. Today we will be doing jerk chicken. Of course, it's not authentic, but we'll make it work. So let's get it. All right, so these are the chicken leg quarters that I picked up from my butcher today that we'll be using in the cook. And this is the jerk rub that we'll be using. It is the Walker Wood. I saw this on Mom and Papa Joe's. He used this and it looked pretty good, so that's what we'll be using for the jerk chicken today. Okay, I have my chicken washed, cleaned off right here. So what we're gonna do now is we'll go ahead and score the meat just a little bit so our marinade and season can get down in the meat really well. So. All right, so we have the chicken all scored up now, so we are going to start applying the jerk paste, and once we apply it, we're just gonna put it in our bowl and let it marinate overnight for about 12 hours, so we'll just go ahead and start getting this on here. Each piece a generous amount and just rub it in. I'm not really worried about contaminating that bottle because we'll throw it away once we're done. We'll just get your paste all over the surface of the meat here. And it smells good already. Can't imagine what it's gonna be like once we get it on the smoker, get some smoke on it, and all these flavors meld together. All right, I will finish getting these ready and I'll bring you back once I'm done. All right, so this is what it looks like once we have the paste on and we are ready for this to marinate. All right, so we have the chicken scored and seasoned and it's ready to marinate overnight. We'll marinate for about 12 hours and I will see you in the morning and we'll be ready to put it on the pit. So our chicken is finished marinating. We let it go for about 14 hours. Anywhere between 12 and 24 hours is good. So we will pull it out of the fridge and put some homemade seasoning on it and it'll be ready for the pit. All right, so as you can see, I've been putting the season on this chicken, and what I'm using is a homemade rub. It's my jerk season, and it has allspice, brown sugar, coriander, and salt and pepper. So I'll just continue to dust these. We'll be ready to get them on the pit here in just a second. And this is my actual first attempt at jerk chicken, so hoping it turns out well. And if it doesn't, you guys be light on me. All right, I have the pit balls up to temperature, so I will meet you guys outside. All right, so the pit balls was up to temp at 350 and we just got the chicken quarters on. We're gonna let them rock and roll, build some smoke for just a little bit, and we will check on them periodically. And I will bring you back when I get ready to check on them. All right, so we just finished up the chicken. Just to recap, we cooked it at 350. It took about 2.5 hours. We turned it at about an hour and a half, and the result is pretty good for our first try, I think. So I guess we'll go ahead and give it a taste. I hate to be a jerk and taste it without you guys here. I think that's pretty good for a first attempt. Just want to thank everybody for stopping by the channel again. I thank you for your support. Leave me a like, leave me a comment, tell me if you've ever done any jerk chicken and how it turned out for you. Before I get out of here, I want to do a couple of shout outs. I want to shout out to Kevin at Man Kitchen Recipes. He's a very good cook. He's been supportive of the page here lately. Really glad I found him. Also, Kent at Daddy Dutch Barbecue. And if all you know him, that guy's a character. Stop by his page, check out his stuff. He does a lot of good stuff. And last, Polly at Polly Detmerk. This guy knows his pizza and he can cook well. So check out these 3 pages, go over and see what they're doing. Give them a like, give them a subscribe. We'll see you guys next time.